My students, so here let's start a new topic, ratio and proportion. Ratio, the ratio of two quantities of the same kind and the same unit is the fraction that one quantity is of the other. The ratio A is to B we call, and is the in the fraction we call A by B, and A ratio B. We in a symbolic write this way. Okay, so always in a ratio in a two values we write in a fraction way. See here the exercise first question, express in the simplest form. This is the ratios. This ratio we have to write in the simplest form. So 24 and 40. So 24 and 40, first of all we find the HCF of 24 and 40. So 24 and 40 HCF. Two ones are 2, 2 is 4, 2 3 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 3 ones are 3, and 40 is 2 2 is 4, 20, 10, 2 5 is 10, 5 ones are 5. So 2 2 2 2 2 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 is the HCF of 24 and 40. 8 is the HCF of 24 and 40. So both the number is divided by 8. Now 8 3 is 24, 8 5 is 40. So this value, this ratio, we convert into simplest form. Okay. So the ratio is 3 ratio 5. Okay. See the second question. 13.5 ratio 15. So 13.5 135 by 10. Point cut. So here is 10. Ratio 50. Now what to do? Both the number you multiply by first 10. Multiply by 10. So 10 is cut. 135 ratio 150. Then 135 by 150. Now we find the HCF of 135 and 150. 135 by divided by 5. 5 to 10, 5 7 to 35, 27, 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Then 150, again 5, 5 is 15, 0, 5 is 30, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3. So what is the common? 5 5, 3 3. Over, so 5 is 15. So HCF is 15. This number is divided by 15. Divided by 15. 15 times 150. The next number is 135. 135 divided by 15. 15 9 is 5 9 is 45 4. 9 is 9 plus 4 135. 15 9 is 135. So answer is 9. So 9 by 10 in a fraction, in a ratio, right? 9 ratio 10. Okay. The sixth question. Question number 6. Ratio 6.5 ratio 8. 2.5 ratio 6.5 ratio 8. So 25 by 10, point cut. Ratio 65 by 10. Ratio 8 by 1. Okay. Now full number is multiplied by 10. Multiply by 10 because denominator is 10. 10 is cut 25 ratio 65 ratio 8 times the 80. Okay, so here we find the LCM of 25, 65 and 80. 25, 525, 5 1 is 5. 65, 5 1 is 5. 5 is 15. 30 is 13. And 80. 5 1 is 5. 8 minus 5. 30. 30. 2 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. So 5 is the HCF. 5 is the HCF. So whole now this ratios divided by 5. So 5 5 is 25 ratio, 5 1 is 5, 5 is 15 ratio, 5 1 is 5, 8 minus 5. 6 is 30, 25, 5 is 30. 5 ratio 13 ratio 16. Let's copy this. Okay. So question number second, express in simplest form. Simplest form है तो two quantities is given 75 paise and 3 rupees. 75 rupees, 70 paise and 3 rupees. But that unit is not same. So we first of all change the unit. So this is paise and this is rupees. So rupees change into smallest unit, means in paise. Then after we find the ratios. So 75 paise. First of all, rupees 3. We know 1 rupees means 100 paise. So 3 into 100 paise. So it is 300 paise. So 75 paise ratio 300 paise. 75 ratio 300 paise. Now that is write in fraction first. 75 by 300. Now you find the LCM of 75 and 300 or I divide by 25. Okay. So 75. Find the HCF to divide both the terms, numerator and denominator. 5 1 is 5, 5 25, 5 3 is 15, 3 1 is 3. Then 300. 5 5 25, 5 30, 0. 5 1 is 5, 5 is 10. 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3. So 5 5 common. 5 5 common. 3 3 is common. So 5 25, 25 3 75. Okay. Divide by 75. So 75 under 75 and 75 300. No, 75 74 ja 4 1 20 2 4 7 28 29 30 300. 75 4 ja 300. So changing the smallest form 1:4. Okay. First of all, you find the HCF of both the terms. See, so third minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes plus 5, 65 minutes. 1 hour, 5 minutes means 60 plus 5, 65 minutes. Then, write in raised in a fraction, 65 by 45. 65 45, HCF. 5 1 is 5, 5 is 15, 13 1 is 30. Then 45, 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 45. 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. So only 5 is common. 5 is common. So both the number divided by 5. Both the number divided by 5. LCM is 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 is 15, 5 9 is 45. In a ratio, 13 ratio 9. Clear? Then sixth question. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Ratio 750 meter. So 1000 750 meter. 0 0 cut. Then 100 plus 25 25. 25 4 is 100. 25 is 75. 4 ratio 3. Clear everyone? Okay. Here, the question third, if ratio A ratio B is given 7 ratio 5 and B ratio C is given 9 ratio 14, find A ratio C. So solution number 5, third. Here in a given, it is given A by B is 7 by 5 and B by C is 9 by 14. So A, we find A ratio C means A by C is equal to A by B into B by C. Okay, we find A by C value. So A by B into B by C. Then A value is 7, B value is 5, into B value is 9, and C value is 14. 7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, and 9 on the 9, 5 to the 10. So it is A by C value. So A ratio C value is 9 ratio 10. Okay? Solution number 5. Here A ratio B is given. A ratio, A means A by B, 3 by 5, and B by C is equal to 10 by 13. Okay, so 10 by 13. So here we find the A, B, C. A ratio, B ratio, C. So first of all, what to do? We take B by C, means B ratio C equal to 10 ratio 13. First means here we equal to B term. First of all, we equal to B term. Because now see, here B value is 10, here B value is 5. Okay. So 5 and 10. So first of all, you multiply by, first of all divide by 5, this ratio. So 10 on the 10 means 10 by 10, ratio 13 by 10. So answer is 1 ratio 13 by 10. Then after, you multiply by 5. So 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5, ratio 5 to the 10, 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, so 13 by 2. So 5 ratio 13 by 2. Now B value is constant, 5. Okay. So B value is constant 5. So A ratio B ratio C means 3. A is 3. B is 5. Ratio 13 by 2. Now denominator 2 is there. 2 is there. So whole equation you multiply by 2. So 2 3 is 6. 2 5 is 10. 2 2 is cut 30. 6 ratio 10 ratio 30. This is the A ratio B ratio C value. Okay, let's copy this.